Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. Today we will create a tracker using Excel. When creating a tracker or a database in Excel, we need to set the table by writing the headings in the top row. They will tell what information is held in that column. When the headings are ready, we need to start formatting the table. First thing, we need to resize the columns. We select all columns starting from the first column letter. We drag with the mouse until the last column and we will see the green selection, showing us that our columns have been selected. Then we resize the first column going with the mouse between the two letters ND, dragging from the middle line to enlarge or short the column. All column will be the same size. Now we need to draw the borders. We start selecting the table from the last cell as it will make it easier to select the table. We start from the bottom right of our table and we move the move in diagonal, aiming for the top left corner. Once the table is selected, we go to Home, then Borders, we choose all borders. Then select the top row and we apply a gray fill color. There you go. All done. Don't forget to save. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.